look at this loop. Look at the storm that came out of Worcester. See the deep reds that were there? Probably signifying strong winds, possibly hail at that time. But it has weakened some, giving way to another one that's just ahead of it now, east of Framingham. And we've had a couple that are now in Boston Harbor, others off to the west. So we still have to keep an eye to the sky for the next couple of hours until we lose the heating of the day. See how we did have some lightning for a while, but now we're not really seeing any of it. It looks like there's been some weakening. But we still have kept the storm tracker on that cell that came out of Worcester when it was strong there. And right now, as it continues to move east, these are the towns and about how many minutes away they are from being impacted by it. There was some wind damage up close to Orange, Mass, and a few communities earlier from a strong cell that did cause a warning in northern Middlesex and northern Worcester for a little while. That's already happened. So not widespread, but a few localized damage reports from wind with these cells moving very quickly to the east. So here's the back line, and we'll continue to keep an eye on all of these cells because we also had some strong ones coming right through Beverly, as you can see here. That'll be moving offshore shortly. Another one right near the border, Mass and New Hampshire, up toward Pelham, New Hampshire. And as I mentioned, we're continuing to follow ones that are a little farther to the west. Here's one that's moved east of Hamden. That's sliding eastward with time. So let's take you out in time. About 5 o'clock, we still have a few strong ones around. Notice it starts to sink more to the south and east, weaken, and then move off the coast by 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. That's the end of that. It should be a nice clear start to the day tomorrow. Pleasant temperatures, not quite as warm as today, but still mild. Now, during the afternoon, a cold front's going to approach, so here we go again. But this time, I think just a spot shower is possible during the afternoon across the region. But again, we may have some very gusty winds as the leading edge of cold air starts to move through. Then it will be a lot colder overnight Friday night as you take a look at Boston during Saturday night into Sunday. It's 62 right now in Boston. It is windy and gusty. It's cooled off to the west where any showers have come through. These will be your temperatures early tomorrow. Still a fairly mild day tomorrow. But then look at the cold air come in by early Saturday. And during the day Saturday, it's only going to be in the 30s to around 40 in spite of full sun. All right, we get to the end of the weekend, meaning sometime Sunday afternoon, evening. The storm gets close enough to get us into its influence. Looks like it'll be a potent storm, close enough to perhaps give at least several inches of snow to any area that stays cold enough for all snow. So the heaviest snow is likely to be from about 495 out through the Worcester Hills, Monadnock region of Hampshire, central Mass. But moderate snow amounts are possible even in Boston, assuming it stays cold enough, and I'd lean that way, more borderline down toward Plymouth and especially the Cape. So snow and rain probably for the storm. We're certainly going to be telling you more about it as we go along. All right, there you go. A few spot showers for tomorrow afternoon. Chillier weather on Saturday. It is later Sunday night into the Monday morning commute that we have to watch that winter storm situation. Windy and cold weather follows until we get to the second half of next week when it should warm up quite a bit. So lots to follow here in the Weather Center. Heather?